Ever struggled to install a new refrigerator filter and found it just won't go in? You're not alone! This video will walk you through a simple solution to get your filter installed smoothly and start enjoying clean, fresh water again. Step 1. Inspect the mounting point. Start by checking the area where the filter attaches. If the connector isn't aligned correctly, the filter won't fit. Misalignment is a common issue, but it's easy to fix. Step 2. Grab the alignment tool. Your filter kit includes a handy alignment tool designed specifically for this model. Step 3. Adjust the connector. Take it out and prepare to use it to adjust the connector. Insert the tool into the center of the connector and turn it counterclockwise. This will reposition the connector's internal mechanism. Step 4. Secure the new filter. Once the connector is aligned, simply twist the new filter clockwise into place. It should slide in effortlessly. That's it, you're all set.